The rounds of the soul. 8th round in the divine will. The soul prays with Mary for God's kingdom. Jesus, my sweet life, please place my little soul along with my Holy Queen Mother upon the lap of our Heavenly Father. There, I will pray, weep and yearn for the coming of the kingdom of your divine fiat. With my loving smiles, affectionate kisses and adoration of the three divine persons, I wish to captivate them with the same captivating power of your own will to obtain from them your kingdom on earth. Or rather, plunging myself within my mother's captivating seas of love. This little daughter of your divine will wishes to form her own little seas within the very seas of her mother, in order to implore the kingdom of the divine will, just as she implored the kingdom of redemption. Therefore, Holy Mother, lend your hand to your little daughter, and may you yourself make me cross the captivating sea of your love, so that I may place my unceasing, I love you, in your sea of love and, from within your sea of love form my own sea. And by means of both of your seas of love and mine, we may together implore the kingdom of the divine fiat. I now enter into my mother's captivating sea of adoration, toward her Creator, and therein form my own little sea of adoration toward my Creator to implore His kingdom, on earth. I then make my flight into the seas of her prayers, supplications and sighs, and therein form my own seas of prayers and supplications and sighs to implore with prayers of the Heavenly Mother herself the kingdom of the divine fiat. My Holy Queen Mother, since your seas are interminable, grant your little daughter a space, in your endless seas, wherein she may place her own little acts. Wherefore I entreat you, with your own hands place within the seas of your intense sorrows and pains, my little pains. From my long years in bed, from having deprived myself of things and from my sacrifices, also from the most piercing pain of Jesus having repeatedly deprived me of his presence, which caused me continual deaths. My dear Mother, may you unite all of these pains of mine and immerse them within the seas of your immense sorrow, so that they may form my little sea of sorrow. And by means of both your seas of sorrow and mine, I wish to unceasingly implore God to hasten the kingdom of His divine will on earth and make it triumphantly reign and exercise dominion over us. My dear Mother, if you do not wish to make your little daughter unhappy, then say together with me that we possess only one love, one will, one operation and one voice that exclaims, Fiat voluntas tua on earth as in heaven. Just as your captivating seas compelled the eternal Word to descend from heaven to earth where you offered your womb to receive Him, so may these captivating seas, of ours, compel the supreme fiat to descend from His heavenly throne to earth where I offer my soul to receive Him. In this way, He will be conceived in my soul and establish His kingdom in me and, through me, in all other souls.